How to change Chrome avatar with custom picture. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now let's go ahead and get this started with. So the first thing that we are going to do, as you can see in here, is we have our Google account. So we are using our Google account here in our Google Chrome, as you can see, and then we're just going to go ahead and click this one first, click manage your account, and we're going to go ahead and upload our own profile. So I'm going to click this one right here, add profile picture, and then you have here different illustrations which you can use, and then you can also upload from your PC. So in my case, I'm just going to drag this picture, say for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and make this one somehow. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to click next, and as you can see, it looks good. I'm going to save this one as my profile picture. So I'm going to dismiss this one. I'm going to close it. And then as you can see, it's not syncing right now. So what we are going to do is hit our profile here, and then we're going to go ahead and click this. Now we're just going to turn this off for now. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. And then we're going to go ahead and sign in once again. Alright, so as you can see, right after doing that, you can now see that we have already added here our profile picture. Now they are both async with our Google. And that is how to change Chrome avatar with custom picture.